Let me ask you a question. What do you do when a Driveshaft shop couldn't make you a drive shaft for your car?
Huh?
Well, we're gonna be improvise and DIY the freak out of it. So yeah, so we'll be basically making our own drive shaft and test it out. So also, this is the part 3 of the Lexus drip build. So yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Let's dive in. I went to the Driveshaft shop, tried to get my Driveshaft made for the car. I didn't know if they couldn't actually do it, so because they don't work on Beamer stuff or whatnot. So right now I'm running out of options, so we're just gonna DIY this shit with a exhaust pipe to see if it works. I went to the machine shop, got myself a nice little front flame right there. The Driveshaft shop told me to go get one, and then I go get one, and then they end up saying they can't do it. So right now we're gonna DIY some really good stuff right now. So alright, so here is the Driveshaft itself. So what we actually do was we got an exhaust pipe that we find in the garage, and I already have the flame that I got custom made by the machine shop, and we have the rear connecting piece that connect the rear half shaft that we cut off from the old Driveshaft. So we added up all together, and this is pretty much the final product of it all together. Everything, it looked pretty decent, and I mean, it doesn't look bad, you know. It's gotta look pretty decent because this is pretty much so yeah, so this is pretty much the whole Driveshaft. It looked not bad, too bad in my opinion, but yeah. And also in order for us to get the bolt to slide in the guide bolt, we basically have to shave up like one side of the bolt so they could slide in, and we're just gonna use the nut just to tighten up together. So yeah, so the next thing to do is basically weld all of this together and drive the car. That's the next thing we gotta do. Oh yeah. Well, on a side note, I can't really actually put the Driveshaft in because it's snowing, and then it's really cold outside, and then yeah, we're gonna do that whenever the snow melts and whatnot. So here is the Driveshaft fully welded and ready to be put in the car, courtesy to my buddy Trev for welding it and making this makeshift Driveshaft for me. So I just want to show you guys this, and then we're gonna put this in the car and we're gonna test it out by driving it. And yeah, but I don't have a video of me putting it in the car, so we're just gonna jump in where we testing out the car. So yeah, let's go.
5 minutes later.
Check out the weather, guys. Look at the weather. It's nice and sunny. Woo! And I'm ready to take the car out. I'm just joking. It's not nice and sunny. It's cold and freezing. But it's give us the best opportunity because it's snowy. So that means we could be testing out the slide ability of the car, and also the durability of the Driveshaft. So yeah, thing because it's snowy, and then we're gonna get on it and test out the vehicle. And let's go. Start driving the car, you know. It's so cold outside, man. My hand is a little bit freezing, but it's all right. good on snow, but I just don't know how good it's gonna do on the just the pavement alone. They still have an open diff right now, so a lot of stuff are very unpredictable. So like next stuff we're gonna do is welding the diff. So once we weld the diff, everything's probably gonna be a little bit better. So so yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, I don't know how hard I'm running right now, so I don't want to beat it too much. So we're gonna head back and give it a little rest.
Do I smell trouble?
Yep.
What happened? Oh, I don't like this. Alright, we're just getting back from a little test drive. I mean, it's worked out pretty good. I don't know what happened at the end. I'm still gonna try to figure it out, but I just disconnect the battery, put it back in, and the car drove fine. So that's a problem for another day, but so far it did all right. I mean, so we got a bunch of more stuff to do later down the line. So yeah, it's really cold outside, so I'm gonna head back inside real quick. Man, let's go. No! It's another beautiful day out here. So it's like a few weeks later. We're gonna actually removing the diff, and then we're gonna weld it today, and we should be good to test it out today. And so far the car run all right, but there's still a lot of work to do. And yeah, so yeah, so let's just keep going. All right, so we actually got the diff out. It took a little bit of time because I actually didn't have the proper tool for it, so I have to go to Harbor Freight and get it. And after that, we actually remove it. So here it is, the diff in the flesh. It looked pretty decent front and back, nothing really crazy wrong with it. So yeah, so the next thing we're gonna do is actually draining out all of the old fluid that was in the diff, and then get it prepped and ready to be welded. That's the next thing we're gonna do. So yeah, let's hop into that part of the video and enjoy. See y'all in a little bit though. It's gonna be a little bit of montage.
3 days later. A few moments later.
Hello, we're back again. So yesterday I made a little bit of oopsie. Let me show you guys real quick. I just said that I kind of messed up the diff just a little bit. Let me show you. So I drove the car last night and accidentally the diff fall off. And then because it's falling off, I I technically scraped the whole cover and then kind of like melted the cover with just the diff housing itself. It's kind of cool because I don't have to worry about it leaking out anymore or anything like that. But yeah, so we do have a little problem. One of the top hole snap off, but there's still thread in there, so it's still pretty good. Yeah, now I'm gonna fix it. Yeah. Okay, so far the car does pretty well. It's not bad. Testing it with a few donut. I did a little bit slide and that's it, because my power steering is gone, so I don't have power steering because I couldn't really link the some part, but I still have to fix that. But other than that, the car drifted pretty alright, but I still haven't really fully tested out yet because I haven't been to the track yet. So next time when the first drift event come out, I'm gonna test it out fully. Yeah, I just want to let y'all know that. So yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, I finally reached the end of the video, and I hope you guys actually liked the video. You know, it's pretty, I guess I would say, a little simple video for you guys to enjoy, a little bit of entertainment and whatnot, you know. But anyway, I'm actually kind of happy that we were able to drive the car, actually driving the car and test it out, you know, and drifted it a little bit. That, and yeah, so I'm kind of happy about that. This one of my goal when I actually start doing this build is getting the manual swap in and get it done and running in like a month or two. So well, I think I passed that due date, but whatever. But at the end we actually got it driving and whatnot, so I'm pretty happy about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to let you guys know. And also we still have more stuff to do for the car, just to fix it up a little bit, you know, a little bit of maintenance and a little bit of knick-knack, a little bit of part to get, and we're gonna get a little bit more, get a angle kit and stuff and clean it up just a little bit, you know, get a little bit prep and prepare for the next event. It'll be his first event anyway. So yeah, so basically, so I'm gonna stop my rambling now, so I'm gonna end the video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you guys have anything to say, you guys want to say something, please comment down below in the video, because it does help the channel. And also it does help the video because by showing it to a lot of people and showing up on the explore page of YouTube, and it help me get more people to watch my video. More people mean more friends. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, and I'll catch you in the next time. I'll catch you next time when the next video is and whatnot. And yeah, you guys have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see ya on the flip side. Goodbye. Love ya.